हेलो फ्रेंड्स। अब दृष्टि करंट अफेयर 2020-25 के सीरीज़ को आगे करते हैं, जो पार्ट थर्ड है। हाउ मेनी ट्रेडिशनल प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश वर ग्रांटेड जीआई टैग 21। विच रीजन ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश हैज़ बिकम जीआई हब? काशी रीजन। विच प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ बनारस वर डिक्लेयर्ड जियोग्राफिकल इंडिकेशन? शहनाई, तबला, ठांडी, लाल पेड़ा, लाल भरवा मिर्च, तिरंगा, बर्फी, वॉल पेंटिंग, चेरागांव, कोरोंडा। विच प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ बरेली वर ग्रांटेड जीआई टैग? फर्नीचर, जरी जारदोजी, टेराकोटा। विच ट्रेडिशनल क्राफ्ट ऑफ मथुरा was included in the GI tag list? Sanchi craft. Which agriculture product of Bundelkhand region was GI tag? Kathia wheat. The flutes of which districts in Uttar Pradesh receive GI tag? Pilibhit. Which traditional craft of Chitrakoot district received GI tag? Wood carving. Which form of craft of Agra was honored with GI tag? Stone inlay work. Which sweet of Jaunpur received GI tag? Imarti. How many products in total received GI tag in Uttar Pradesh? 77. How many products in Kasi regions received GI tag so far? 32. Which was the first Indian state to sign a nuclear energy agreement? Maharashtra. With which company did Maharashtra sign agreement? Rostom, Russia. Which company is partner from the Maharashtra government side for thorium-based small modular reactor project? Maharashtra State Power Generation Company Limited. Who presents Union Budget 2025-2026? February 1st, 2025. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. What is the budget expenditure estimate 2025-26? रुपीस 50,65,345 करोड़. What percentage of total expenditure is allocated for interest payment? 25%. The receipts other than borrowing in 2025-26 are estimated to be 34,96,409 करोड़. The receipts are how much higher than the received revised estimate for 2024-2025? 11.1%. What is the expected GDP growth rate for 2025-2026 over the first advance estimate of 2024 and 2025? 10.1%. What is the fiscal deficit target 2025-26? 4.4% of GDP. Revenue deficits in 25-26 is targeted 1.5% of GDP. What is the target of fiscal deficit 2024-25? 4.8% of GDP. How much is the government targeting for the reduction in outstanding liabilities by March 2031? 50% of GDP. What is the estimated tax revenue growth 2025-26? 11%. How much is devaluation to states for 2025-26? रुपीस 14,22,444 करोड़. The devaluations in how much over to received estimate 2025-26? An increase 10.5%. In 2025-26 net tax revenue excluding the share taxes is estimated to be 48,37,409 करोड़. In 25-26 non-tax revenue is estimate 5,83,000 करोड़. In 25-26 capital receipts excluding borrowing are targeted 76,000 करोड़. What percentage of total GST revenue is expected from the central GST 86%. What is the expected increase in taxes of income in 25-26? 14.4%. What is expected collections for indirect taxes in 25-26? रुपीज़ 17,35,100 करोड़. What is the percentage increase in total expenditure over 2025-24-25? 7.4. What is the estimate increase in revenue expenditure 2025-26? 6.7%. What is the proposed allocation for central sector schemes? 16,21,899 करोड़. What is proposed allocation for centrally sponsored scheme? 5,41,850 करोड़. What proposed government expenditure pension 2025-26? 2,76,618 करोड़. What is proposed government expenditure on interest payment? 12,76,338 करोड़. Which ministry is highest allocations? Ministry of Defence. 6,81,210 करोड़. What is percentage of total expenditure allocated of Ministry of Defence? 13.4%. What is proposed allocation of Jal Shakti Ministry of Jal Shakti? 99,503 करोड़. What is increase in the allocation of the Ministry of Rural Development? 14,527 करोड़. What is the total subsidy expenditure estimate for 2025-26? 4,26,216 करोड़. What is the estimate fertilizer subsidy in 2025-26? 1,67,887 करोड़. What is the name of the agricultural development program launched in budget 2025-26? प्रधानमंत्री धन धान्य कृषि योजना. Government has proposed to launch mission for Amrit Bharat impulses Atmanirbharta impulses for the next how many years? 6 years. A Makhana board to be established in which states to improve production, processing, value additions and marketing of Makhana? Bihar. Which new schemes is announced for providing digital book in Indian language? Bharatiya Bhasha Pustak scheme. How many national centers of excellence for skilling are proposed in budget 2025-26? 5 centers. A new maritime development fund was announced with the corpus of 25,000 crore. With an enhanced total outlay, Jal Jeevan mission was extended until 2028. To implement the proposals for cities as growth hubs, creative redevelopment of cities and water and sanitation, the government will set up Urban Challenge Fund. Financial support for the Western Koshi Canal (ERM) project was provided for which region of Bihar? Mithilanchal region. Which states was awarded to prize by Unique Identification Authority of India? Meghalaya. Where was the 9th Global Technology Summits organized? New Delhi. Which ministry released the first baseline report 2022-2023 of the Panchayati Advancements Index? Ministry of Panchayati Raj. How many key themes are included under the Panchayati Advance Index? 9. What are the categories in Panchayat Advance Index? Full Achiever, Front Runner, Performer, Aspirants, Emerging. Which state has the highest number of Panchayat in Front Runner category? Gujarat 346 Panchayat. Which state is second after Gujarat? Telangana 270 Panchayat. Which national award was recently given? Uttar Pradesh Police Shauq Award. Who has been appointed as new CEO of Invest UP? Vijay Kiran Anand. In which union territory was the Apricot Blossoms Festival 2025 celebrated? Ladakh. How many villages were declared Adarsh Gram under the PM Ajay scheme in the financial year 2024-2025 4,991 village. When was the Pradhan Mantri Anusuchit Jati Abhyuday Yojana launched? The year 2021-2022. Out of these, how many village has been declared Adarsh Gram Sofar? 11,076. Where was India's first Namo Electronic Roadshow inaugurated? Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Who was appointed as a member of Prime Minister Economic Advisor? Sanjay Kumar Mishra. What is the name of India's first industry-led digital detox initiative? Beyond the Screen. Which state launched this initiative? Karnataka. Which mission was approved by the Union Cabinet to promote development of livestock sector? Revised Rashtriya Gokul Mission. How much additional expenditure was approved by the Cabinet? Revised Rashtriya Gokul Mission 1000 crore. What is the total outlay for these schemes during the 15 financial period 2021 to 2022 to 2025 to 2026 is rupees 3,400 crore. Where was the country's first public-private partnership model-based green waste processing plant established? Indore. With whom did Department of Telecommunications partner to expand Meta safety campaign against online fraud and spam? WhatsApp. What is the name of safety campaign? Scam se bacho campaign. Scam se bacho campaign. Who launched the India's Mobile Broadband Index 2025? Nokia. According to this, what was the average monthly mobile data traffic per user in India's in 2024? 27.5 GB. Which Indian MP raised concern over the Great Bend Dam, a Chinese project? Tapir Gao, BJP, Arunachal Pradesh. In how many villages did Uttar Pradesh Jal Nigam confirm excessive fluoride presence? 120 village. How many people are affected by fluoride problem in Uttar Pradesh? Approximately 2 lakh people. Which industries launched Digital Threat Report 2024? Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. In which state did Prime Minister Modi recently lay foundation for rupees 8,300 crore worth for rail and road project? Tamil Nadu. What type of bridge in Pamban Rail Bridge, India's first vertical lift sea bridge? What is the length of the Pamban Bridge? 2.07 km. What is the cost of this bridge? More than 535 crore. Which place does the bridge connected to mainland? Rameswaram, Pamban Island. Which state has the highest number of solar plants installed at railway station? Rajasthan, 275 station. By which year does Indian Railway aims to achieve 100% electricity? 2025-2026. By when does Indian Railways aims to achieve net zero carbon emission? By the year 2030. In which state was School Chale Hum Let's Go to School campaign 2025 launch? Madhya Pradesh. Who launched Water Resources Census and Portal? Union Minister of Jal Shakti C.R. Patil. Where was the portals and application launch? Saram Shakti Bhavan, New Delhi. Which organizations monitor this portal? Central Water Commissions. Where was the Mukhyamantri Mahila Udyami Abhiyan launched? Behali, Assam. What centrally suspended scheme did the Union Cabinet approve? The development of village on international border vibrant village program. 2. Where was Startup Mahakumbh 2025 held? New Delhi. What was the themes of Startup Mahakumbh? Startup India @ 2047, unfolding the Bharat story. Which university hosted an international seminar to mark the 100th anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore visit to China and the 75th anniversary of diplomatic relationship between India and China? Vishwa Bharati University, Shantiniketan, West Bengal. Where was the 11th BRICS Labour and Employment Ministers meeting 2025 held? Barcelona, Brazil. Which country chaired the conference? Brazil. Which Hindu leader was granted bail by the Bangladesh High Court? Chinmoy Krishnadas. Which regions did North Korea deploy troops to assist Russia? Kursk. Which country is planning to mine Bitcoin using hydropower? Bhutan. How many countries' universities were included in the Asia's Universities Ranking 2025 released by Times Higher Education's 35 country? Which university ranked highest in India's in this ranking? IISc Bengaluru ranked 38. Who resigned from the position of chairman of World Economic Forum? Lars Schwab. Where was foreign office consultations meetings between Bangladesh and Pakistan held? Dhaka. Where was 7th India-Japan Maritime Affairs Dialogue held? Tokyo, Japan. How many rare elements did China ban export? 7. What is the China's share in global production of rare element? Approximately 69%. Which draft did the World Health Organization finalize pandemic agreement? Which country did not participate in the final negotiation of pandemic treaty? United States America. According to the ACI World Report 2024, which is the ninth busiest airports in the world, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. According to the ACI World's Report 2024, which is the busiest airport in the world, Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. Where was Global Justice, Love and Peace Summit 2025 held? Dubai, UAE. What was the main theme of the summit's One Planet, One Voice, Global Justice, Love and Peace? Who was the president? Draupadi Murmu was awarded the honorary doctorate, Slovakia. Where was the annual investment meetings Congress 2025 is held? Abu Dhabi, UAE. Which country built the world's first 3D printed railway stations in record time? Japan. Who is the Crown Prince of Dubai? Who made his first official visit to India? Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed Al Maktoum. Which anniversary of Bahrain Rebellion was observed by World Uyghur Congress? 35th anniversary. In which cities was the world's first humanoid robot half marathon held? Beijing, China. Which minerals did the Curiosity rover discover on Mars? Side right. Where was the minerals found on Mars? Gale crater. On which planets did scientists find potential sign of alien life? K218b. Recently, in which state did Cancer forest disease spread rapidly? Karnataka. What is the another name of Cancer forest disease? Monkey fever. What is the name of the India's first automated bat monitoring and identification system? Bat-Ecom Mon. Which institutes developed the Bat-Ecomon system? Indian Institute for Human Settlement, Bengaluru. Which historic missions was launched by the European Space Agency? Biomass mission. From where was the satellite launch? Kourou Spaceport, French Guiana. With whom did Bangladesh sign Artemis Accords? 8 April 2025, NASA. What number did Bangladesh become to sign Artemis Accords? 54. Which was the first device to measure in situ temperature at Moon Smooth Pool? Chandra Surface Thermophysical Experiment. Chandra Surface Thermophysical Experiment was part of which mission? Chandrayaan 3. which with which private company has the National Aerospace Laboratory signed a technology transfer agreement manufacturing trainer aircraft Pioneer Clean AMPS Private Limited, which endangered species was reintroduced into the Ganga River. Red-crowned roof turtle, which India's only wolf sanctuary, Mahodar Wolf Sanctuary. Where is the sanctuary is located? La- Latehar, Jharkhand. Which states gave in principle approve for the development plan of buffer zones in Tiger Reserve 22 अप्रैल 2025 मध्य प्रदेश. What has DPS wetland recently been declared? Flamingo Conservation Reserve. Which new wildlife sanctuary was announced by Madhya Pradesh government? Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Sanctuaries. In which district this sanctuary is located? Sagar district, Madhya Pradesh. In which national park of Mizoram did fire incident occur? Pavan Phan Gupui National Park. How many countries including voted in favor of global carbon tax on shipping industries? 63 countries. In which national park of India was rare golden tiger spotted? Kaziranga National Park. Which new category of industries was introduced by the Central Pollution Board's blue category? The Kancha Gachibowli land disputes occur which city? Hyderabad. Where was the presence of woolly flying squirrels recorded in India? Himachal Pradesh. Where was the long-snouted pine snake recently spotted for the first time? Uttar Pradesh, Dudhwa Tiger Reserve. Where was the presence of the small hive beetles recorded for the first time? West India. Who released Energy Statistics 2025? National Statistical Office, Ministry of Statistics and Program implemented. What was India's total primary energy supply? 9,03,158 K2E. What is the total potential capacity of renewable energy production in India? 21,09,655 megawatt. Top 4 states with highest potential of renewable energy: Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka. In which district Uttar Pradesh has crude oil reserve found? Balia. Which organizations discovered crude oil? ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Which court justice Yashwant Verma, and judge of who has recently been news Delhi High Court? In which universities was the Institute for Buddhist Artificial Intelligence with the Malaysia supports announced? Navanalanda Mahavira, Bihar. Who was elected as a member of United World Wrestling Asia Bureau? Sanjay Kumar Singh, President of Wrestling Federation of India. Which two rivers banks will be developed into religious corridor Uttarakhand? Ganga and Sarda River. By how much has salaries of the member of parliament's MPs increased from 1 lakh to 1,24,000 per month? Recently, a volcanic eruptions occurred in Mount Lewotobi Laki in which country? Indonesia. Recently, which state's government announced the creation of dolphin safari? Uttar Pradesh government. Between which two locations in Varanasi is this dolphin safari proposed? From Kathi to Dhaka village. Where was the 6th edition of Jal Shakti Abhiyan's catch ran? Panchkula, Haryana. What is the theme of the campaign? People Action for Water Conservation toward Intensify Community Connect. Where is the India's Nepal Literature Festivals being held? 21st to 23rd March 2025. Vrindavan, Mathura. between India and which countries has Earth Joint Working Group Committees meetings on agriculture? Germany. Where is the India's first green waste processing plants being established? Bicholi, Hapsi, Indore. Where did the Uttar Pradesh government launch a special Mart school for differently abled children? Greater Noida. With whose collaborations was this special Mart school established? Automobile company Honda under CSR. What was the main focus for the Water Sustainability Conference 2025? Industrial water use efficiently. सो गाइस, लगभग 25 मिनट की वीडियो हो गई है और आगे का पार्ट नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे। सो स्टे ट्यून।